To factory reset your OnePlus 15, first of all we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to scroll all the way down and here select System and Update. Go into Backup and Reset right here and then select Reset Phone. After that you can find Erase All Data, click on it, unlock your device and then select Erase all data, so clear all data right here, and that way your device will reset to factory settings. You can also select erase data but retain eSIM profiles if you like. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video please consider subscribing.